we still have some fish.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. The weather has been very cold recently, so I tried to make some very milky fish soup for my family. Now, it is not difficult to make a milky fish soup at home. All you need to do is just follow the few very simple steps that Appa is going to show you very soon. Now, you can use any kind of fish that you like, but today I'm actually just using some random small fish here. I have approximately about 8 or 9 pieces of small fish here. It's whole fish. I noticed whole fish actually gets you the milky feeling better. And also later I will probably only use half of it for the soup and another half of it as a meat. Yeah. Later I'll show you why and what do I mean. Then we also have at the back. Yep. Let's focus to here. I have some Chinese cabbage, best for soup, few pieces of ginger and also spring onion. And last but not least, I also have some tofu, traditional tofu, and some spring onion here. If you have mushroom, do put inside your some enoki mushrooms or oyster mushroom. That would be very nice as well. Appa don't have that right now. So what you need to do with the fish, it is to clean the fish and marinate with a little bit of salt. That's it. So first of all, you want to heat up some oil in the wok and then put in a bit of ginger. So this ginger is going to help to remove the fishiness of the fish, if any, yeah? After which we can put in the fish. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. Pan frying on one side. I'm going to flip it over. Wow, super fragrant. Actually, small fish tastes really good as well. Oh, look at this. I'll give another side approximately another 2 minutes. Then I will set it aside. This fried fish here, I'm going to put it inside the fish soup later, but I'm going to use another 4 fish to make the soup. Right, this is after another 2 minutes on the other side. I'm going to take this fish out. It is not 100% cooked yet, but it's okay because later we are going to put it inside the fish soup, yeah? Now these are the ones which I'm going to use it to make the soup. This is after also about 2 minutes. We're going to try to flip the fish over. Beautiful char. Beautiful char. Ooh, even nicer than just now. So this is approximately 4 minutes pan frying in total. Next thing, I'm going to smash the fish. Smash everything up. You can get ready your hot water and pour inside. Use high heat now to really bring it to a boil and let it boil for a couple of minutes. There's one more thing you can add to remove the fishiness, which is the fresh coriander roots. So once it is boiling, you let it boil for probably about 5 minutes. So while waiting for the fish, get ready a very big bowl with a sieve, yeah, a coriander. So this is after approximately 5 minutes boiling under high heat. You can see it has become milky color already. So next thing we are going to do, it is to sieve out the bones. And you don't want to waste it. Press it down. And there you go, we have our beautiful soup base. Look at our beautiful soup base just within a couple of minutes. Alright, I quickly rinse the wok just in case if there's any small bones inside, yeah. Wash it away. And let's pour in our milky fish soup. Raise the heat. I'm going to put in 2 pieces of my ginger, the spring onion stem, yeah, the white color of it. Put in the thicker version of the cabbage first. Right, it has been boiling for the past about 3-4 minutes. You can see the beautiful milky color. Now we can put in the rest of the veggie. And not forgetting the tofu. If I have mushrooms, I'll put it in right now also. Gonna give it some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Few dashes of my favorite Vietnamese fish sauce. Let it continue cooking. This is after another 2-3 minutes. Still have one more thing. Now I'm going to tune down the fire a little bit. We still have some fish. Right. So I'm going to let it cook for another 2 minutes, then it is done. Right, basically our fish sauce is done. This is after another 2 minutes. Now you just need to you can taste it and see whether, and adjust to taste using some salt and probably a little bit of sugar if you like. It's basically done. Let me dish it out. So here's our beautiful fish soup. Give it some spring onion. Few dashes of white pepper. Done. Oh, if you like, you can also add in some fried garlic on top. Alright. So if you like my very simple fish soup today, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.